Oh my God, y'all, I bought a house. Okay, this is my empty house tour. Finally, after about 2 years, I'm finally showing y'all my empty house tour. There has been many renovations since this video, but I want to show y'all this so I can start making like home DIY renovation. And let's start off in the entryway. My entryway is one of those where if you come through the front door, there's like a really small like little entryway area, and then you can either go upstairs or you can go downstairs. So when you come upstairs, this is like the main living area. So it's like a living room slash kitchen slash eating area slash outdoor deck exit. It's everything in one. It's the pantry. It's got everything. It's got all the things. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you already seen a lot of the work that I have been doing. So much about this house has changed. It is a duplex in Illinois. To know is, where are y'all from? Where in the earth are y'all located? Let me know in the comment section below. So this is what I call my do not disturb room, which is just like a catch-all storage office thing. But for some reason in this house, I just cannot get that room together. It is the thing. I just cannot get it to be functional. It is constantly in a state of disarray. But it's really nice. It has its own closet. I've taken the doors down. I've done some painting and stuff, but I just can't get it together. So if you guys have absolutely any suggestions for a room in your house that you just cannot, like, you just can't seem to get it right yet, let me know. So the one thing that I definitely am not satisfied with this house is the bathrooms. They're just not. But every time I say something negative, I'm going to follow it up with something positive. The bathrooms are very small. They're very basic. They're very just not my aesthetic at all. One of the things that I do love about this house is the storage. There is lots of storage. So like I have several closets, and they're pretty decent size. You'll see later. So the next room is my master bedroom. My master bedroom is fairly large, like it's big enough to fit a king size bed in it. The overall house is 1,600 square feet, and the only thing about my master is that it has a weird diagonal wall there where the closet of the other room is. So it kind of cuts it off. So there's really not a lot of places that I can put the bed, but it will fit a king size bed. And then this is my closet. If you follow me on Instagram, you know about the debacle with me and clothing and laundry. My closet is always a mess. There is always clothes everywhere. And I have been affirming the closet people to come on over. Come on over, closet people, and do my closet for me for free. I will give you all of the advertising. But yeah, that's one of the things that I definitely want to work on is the closet. That's one of the areas that I haven't really done much with. I just like hung my clothes up. But as you can see, it's a pretty nice size. It just has those standard wire shelving things. Okay, next up is the master bathroom. Now, this is okay. I have to do a positive because I'm about to go in on this bathroom. I don't like it. It is very oddly. There's just weird empty spaces for nothing. I don't like. It's just dark. It's dreary. I can't really quite. It's like the bathtub is like an off-white color. It's just not. It just ain't it, y'all. I don't like it. And I've tried different things. I've painted it. I'm still not in love with it, and I refuse to actually take a bath in there. But I do shower in there. And I changed I don't know. I just need to do a lot of work in here, and I feel like my bathrooms need to be a gut job, and I'm not at that point yet. But, okay, I've been complaining for a while. Let's say something else that I love about my house. Oh, the outside. Okay, we'll talk about that later, but I did a lot of renovations on the outside this summer, so it's going to look completely different the next time you see it. But, girl, she did that. She did that. She did it. The outside is magical. so much. So that's about it for the upstairs. Now let's go on downstairs. I'm going to show you. There's a little hallway down there, a closet, the laundry room, and my daughter's room. So here's the laundry room. Yeah, it's a basic laundry room, y'all. And this is like a little closet that I have over there. I've put some shelves in there. I haven't done much with this area at all, to be honest. It all looks kind of much the same. And then once you go down this little tiny hallway, then you go into what is really a downstairs kind of den. But I turned it into a bedroom for my daughter. So we put a door right here. And we also added a closet in her room, and you'll see all that later. Here is her room. As you can see, it's pretty large, so it could fit, like she has like a couch and like a TV area, and then she has like her bed and her like, I think she also has like a desk area in there. So it's a pretty large space where you can do multiple things with it. And then she also has like a sliding door access to the patio that is outside. You just about everywhere. I do have a garage, and it is a 2-car garage. For like up to date changes that I make in my house, or to like kind of get some inspiration, or maybe even help me out with this home decor and this home stuff, you can definitely follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot on Instagram, for real. And I give like little sneak peeks of my house. I'll show y'all when I buy new things, what I'm working on. I do a lot of DIYs. I have in the past 2 years done a lot of DIYs, and I've done a lot of things myself that I didn't know that I was able to do. Girl, I was out here. I'm out here. I'm so proud of me. So yeah, definitely follow me on Instagram at HonestlyErica. I also am just ridiculous, and I make a lot of jokes, and I talk a lot of shit. So this is the outside area, and when I look at this, it looks so different because I have completely painted this. I have lots of like cute decor, lots of nice furniture out there. Ooh, girl, in the summertime, it was just beautiful. I painted the entire deck. Well, I didn't paint it. I hired someone to paint the deck. So it's just this beautiful, dark and beautiful, magical color. I have string lights out there. It is, girl, it is gorgeous. And I am attempting to work on the lawn and the yard. I still don't have a handle on that, but the decor, I have curtains out. Oh, girl, it's so pretty. So yeah, this is my whole house. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at HonestlyErica. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. On the next episode of Home and Erica TV.
You're cracked. Oh, you shouldn't show that on the video. I don't have a crack on me. Everyone